Unplug your HCFM-1 air purifier from the speed controller in the wall and move it to an open area if needed. Then wait for the fan inside to stop spinning before continuing maintenance. Using a drill with a Robertson 2 head or a Robertson 2 screwdriver, undo the 4 screws holding the hood in place. Remove the hood and place it somewhere flat and smooth to avoid scratching its surface. With an extended Robertson 3 head or a Robertson 3 screwdriver, undo the 4 bolts holding the carbon tray in place. Remove the carbon tray and the exhausted pleated carbon filter. Place the carbon tray on a smooth surface to avoid scratching, and dispose of the pleated carbon filter appropriately. Remove the exhausted HEPA filter and dispose of it appropriately. Place your new HEPA filter inside of the HCFM-1 air purifier, ensuring the airflow arrow is pointing upwards when it is inside. The HEPA filter must be placed within the brackets found on the tray above the fan to prevent air leakage. Place your new pleated carbon filter inside the carbon tray, ensuring the airflow arrow is pointing up when inside the carbon tray. Place the carbon tray with the pleated carbon filter inside into the air purifier. Be mindful that the HEPA underneath is sitting flush with the pleated carbon inside the carbon tray to prevent air leakage. To reassemble, take an extended Robertson 3 head or a Robertson 3 screwdriver and screw the 4 bolts that hold the carbon tray down snug. Place the hood onto the unit, making sure that the bottom flanges are sitting inside the air purifier. Take a Robertson 2 head or a Robertson 2 screwdriver and tighten the 4 screws that hold the hood down snug. On the rear face of the unit, find the pre-filter slot, remove the exhausted pre-filter, and dispose of it appropriately. Slide your new pre-filter into the vacant slot. Locate the yellow maintenance sticker above the slot and write down the date each filter was replaced. Filter installation is now complete, and your HCFM-1 air purifier can be plugged back in to continue improving your indoor air quality.